We're now going to learn how to draw a reverse transparent box. Let's go. As always, we're going to start with a horizon line and a line which is vertical crossing it. Where those two intersect, that point and only that point is the vanishing point. We're going to start with the back of the box, so I'm going to start by drawing a square or a rectangle for the back of my box. Now, as always, in one-point perspective, we are only going to be able to use horizontals, verticals, and orthogonals. So I've now used 2 horizontals and 2 verticals. I'm now going to go ahead and draw the lines that are going to make up the edges of my box. But instead of going toward the vanishing point, I'm going to be moving away from the vanishing point. So the orthogonals are going to be coming toward me. Remember, they are orthogonals. They are going to that vanishing point. So I'm going to start at the back corner and come forward. I'm going to start at the back corner and come forward. I'm going to start at the back corner and come forward, and then I have to finish up with one final orthogonal. Now you can see that I've drawn lines from every corner. Now it is very important to make sure that all your lines are going directly from the corners, so I'm going to correct that one because that was badly off. And you should absolutely do the same, or the next step will not work out very well for you. I'm now going to stop the box in space. So I've now decided by drawing in that horizontal line representing the top corner of the front of the box that that's where my box is going to stop. Since that's the top of the box and that I've decided is the stopping point, I no longer need these lines. Now unfortunately it looks as though I've drawn this a little bit big, so I'm going to wind up erasing this line, which I'm going to have to put back in. But no harm done. Now I look between these orthogonals and I see that back here is a vertical, so I draw in a vertical. That gives me the front 2 corners of the box. Now I draw across, and I can see that this orthogonal should have been a little bit longer, so that completes that. And now if I've done this correctly, I should be able to draw a perfect vertical down from this corner, and it should hit that corner exactly. Because I'm not using T-squares and triangles, you can see that I was a little bit off, but of course my whole drawing is off because it's drawn freehand and not using a T-square or a triangle. Take a look at this box. The back of the box back here was our starting point, and now the front of the box, which I'm doing in blue, is our ending point. We started with the back, we ended with the front. 4 orthogonal lines here, 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 and here are allowing us to connect the back to the front. For practice, you should draw this below, at, and above eye level. Remember that you're always going to the same vanishing point. Don't draw another vanishing point. This is a transparent box drawn in reverse, going from the back to the front.